Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the front turn signal or blinker bulb on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. If this will be the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? You can also check out the affiliate links I have in the description. Alright, so once you've popped your hood here, you come down here. Right here's your turn signal bulb. For the driver's side anyway, and you just twist it like that and then pull it out, and then there's your bulb, and you can just wiggle and pull. There it comes out. You can stick your new one in. The filament on this one looks good, but you can see right here that this wire is burnt, so that's probably what's causing our problem. That's what it should look like. See, it's burnt right there. So we'll replace this bulb. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.